For today's English lesson, I thought we could talk about houses and the different parts of a house. What do you think?
That sounds like a good topic. I'm interested to learn more about it.
Great. Let's start with the exterior parts of a house. One important part is the roof.
Yes, the roof protects the house from rain, snow, and other elements. What about the walls?
Good point. The walls enclose the house and provide structure. There are also windows on the walls to let in light and air.
And don't forget about the front door. It's the main entrance to the house.
Absolutely. The front door allows people to enter and exit the house. Now, let's move on to the interior parts. One essential part is the floor.
Yes, the floor is where we walk and place our furniture. And what about the ceiling?
The ceiling is the top interior surface of a room. It often has lights or fans attached to it. Another important part is the walls, which divide the rooms.
That's true. Walls create separate spaces within a house. And we shouldn't forget about the stairs.
Great addition. Stairs help us move between different levels of a house. They can be made of wood, concrete, or other materials.
And what about the rooms inside a house? We have the living room, bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom.
Exactly. The living room is a common area for relaxation and entertainment. Bedrooms are where we sleep, while kitchens are for cooking. Bathrooms are for personal hygiene.
It's fascinating how all these parts come together to create a functional house.
Indeed. Understanding the different parts of a house is essential for describing and discussing our living spaces. It's been a productive English lesson today.
Absolutely. I feel more confident now discussing houses and their various components.
Let's dive deeper into the different rooms of a house and their specific purposes. We'll start with the living room.
Ah, yes. The living room is often the heart of the house, where we relax, entertain guests, and spend time with family.
That's right. It's usually furnished with sofas, chairs, a coffee table, and maybe a television or a fireplace. Now, let's move on to the bedroom.
The bedroom is where we sleep and rest. It typically contains a bed, a wardrobe, or a closet for clothes, and sometimes a desk or a vanity.
Exactly. Next up is the kitchen. It's where we prepare and cook meals.
Yes, the kitchen usually has appliances like a stove, a refrigerator, a sink, and cabinets to store utensils and ingredients.
Great. And don't forget about the bathroom. It's an essential room for personal hygiene.
Of course. Bathrooms have a toilet, a sink, a shower or bathtub, and sometimes a mirror and a medicine cabinet.
Well done. Let's move on to the dining room. It's a space dedicated to eating meals.
Right. The dining room often has a table and chairs, and sometimes a sideboard or a buffet for storing dishes.
Excellent. Finally, we have the study or home office. It's a room for work or study.
Yes, the study or home office typically contains a desk, a chair, bookshelves, and maybe a computer or a laptop.
Fantastic. You're grasping these concepts quickly. Understanding the different rooms in a house is essential for describing and discussing our living spaces.
Thank you for your guidance and patience. I'm really enjoying learning about houses and all their components.
You're welcome. I'm glad you're finding it interesting. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep exploring and using these vocabulary words, and you'll continue to improve.
I will definitely do that. Thank you again for another great lesson. I'm looking forward to our next one.